Chapter 8, Section 1, we're going over variables. Number 1, we want to translate the following phrases into algebraic expressions. We have A, B, C, and D part. A, the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence whose first term is 10 and whose difference is D. So an arithmetic sequence has the following formula: AN equals A1, which is the first term, plus the common difference times N minus 1. Okay, so all I want to do is convert this into expression. So we're going to plug in 10 here, and this is going to be the N is 6, so this is the A6 term. It says the sixth term. N is 6. So what we're going to do is do 10 plus, we don't know the common difference. This will be 6 minus 1, which will end up being D times 5. So what we're doing, we're going to say this is equal to 10 plus 5D. Okay, so this is the expression that we would get. N plus 5D. Alright, B says 10 less than twice a number. You got to be careful when you're writing these out, when you have division and subtraction. Normally you write these out in order. So you would write, most people would do this 10 and then less, they would write minus 2 times a number. This, however, is going to be incorrect, because if it says 10 less, it means we're actually subtracting 10. Say, for example, if I had $20 and I said you have 10 less, I have 20, you have 10 less, you would know that you need to subtract 10. Same thing here when it says 10 less, this actually is going to be in the other order. So 2 times a number and 10 less than that is going to be 2x minus 10. So be careful when you're doing subtraction, or just basically the word less. When you see that, reverse the order. Okay. 2x minus 10. 10 less than twice a number. Do they say expression for 10 less twice a number? Use N as a variable. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. They want us to use N instead of X. So N, 2N instead of X. I'm normally used to using X, but it says to use N, so be careful. C, an expression for 10 times the square of a number. So, and again, they say use N, so N is a number. So we're going to do 10 times, so just 10 times the square of a number, so N squared will be the expression we need here. 10N squared. And then D, an expression for the difference between the square of a number and 4 times the number, the difference. So we're subtracting the square of a number and 4 times a number. So some number squared, square of a number, and 4 times a number, so 4n. We're going to take the difference between those two, and we're continuing to use n as our variable. So n squared minus 4n.